Good morning from Medjugorje. Let's start our morning tour here in Medjugorje. You see, we have a little overcast. There could be little rain, thunder today, lightning. Everything is previewed. We will see how it will turn out. Little fresh. I have my pullover with me, but only a polo shirt on, like the guy. So now with the bike, a little fresh, but okay. Perfect temperature to ride the bike. I will start the tour just a little. We go down Pension Lane together, and then I should meet a friend at Cafe Chiara. I just love hearing the birds and the peace in the morning. And after Cafe Chiara, I will continue the tour with you guys. I can't wait to have my cheesecake with fruits on the top. Hello. And a nice latte macchiato with Lavazza coffee from Italy, one of the best brands, best quality. And I'm sharing the moment with my Italian friend Maria Paola. Check it out, the testimony Maria Paola. I made a translation, subtitles in English and other languages. So also go in the playlists of my channel. You find a lot of interviews, yeah, in English, French, Spanish, Italian, German. And I parked the bicycle here. You see amazing, no more water in here. In summer, you saw in winter, look the video up when there was a stream of water, a flood of water, and there's Maria Paola concentrating as a modern woman does on her phone. And I stop here and I see you later. Maria Paola, life is good? In Medjugorje is the best, no?
The best.
The best.
Paradise.
After having had my nice latte macchiato and the cake here, I will take you further around here in Medjugorje. Let's go together. Hello. You see the clouds got stronger. Cross mountain over there. Oh, and the rain is starting. Slight drops. See the old walls of Medjugorje. They try to make a replica here, but different than the old walls. And the rain gets stronger. Oh wow, look at that. Something going on here. I hope I can pass. Pass the first one. I hope the second one as well. Look at that, what's happening here? I think I better get off the bike. Look at that. There we go. Look at that. Amazing. And we keep on going on our journey. I think they are paving a new street here. I take you now, Medjugorje in the rain. Cross mountain over there, and all the vineyards how Medjugorje was before the apparition started. passing the cemetery, one of the 3 or 4 cemeteries here in Medjugorje, where Father Slavko Barbaric is buried. See the sudden weather change that is still happening until mid-June, and then it will get very hot to 40 degrees Celsius. Oh, and it's starting to rain. I take you as far as I can. You see, there was lightning, I think now. All predicted in Google weather. For today. I didn't expect to come so fast. There is Apparition Hill over there. But here we are, we have the rain. And you see, oh my God, they take a lounge, Emma, the chairs in. But I see already the light, it will stop again soon. And you see season, the buses are in town. And you hear the thunder. As predicted this morning when I started the tour, you have it live with you. And I'm cycling and singing in the rain here in Medjugorje. Coming back to town. And the rain is stopping again. Not so strong. Some more drops. And here we are, St. James Church. That is Medjugorje in the rain. Getting stronger again. I give you a short view on St. James Church and then I will move home to change clothes as it is wet. Just to give you a view on the church, not many people there now. You see at the museum some people in the coffee shop. And that's Medjugorje today. So if you enjoyed the video, give a like, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell button for notifications. And I have to stop soon as the rain is getting stronger and stronger again. Please pray for me as I pray for you. Have a joyful, beautiful day. I'm greeting you here from the rain. More people over there. And leave comments when we are watching here how you like the video. We are again here at Hotel Lane, Pension Lane. Over here, Hotel Zurich. And I will end the tour at the Irish house for you guys. So leave comments from where you're watching. Also your prayer requests and intentions. It was a pleasure doing this video for you. I got an extra shower this morning. Now, and here we are again at the Irish house. Look over here. Hotel Luna over there, Irish house here. So God bless you all from Medjugorje.